Hey, hello, good morning guys, and this is Corning with Gautam. And guys, today in this video, we will be covering the level Triage. So first, we should check what should we do in this level. So first, let's go to our goals and check our goals. We have to triage the patients into three groups. And now, let's look at what we should do in the code. First, let's understand our code. So we have doctor, which is hero.find by type the paladin, first one, which is this guy, Illumina. Mage is find by type pixie, over here, Ika, and helper equals hero.find type peasant, the first one. So that. And now soldiers equals hero.find by type soldiers. So it's all of these soldiers. So next then you initialize the patient arrays. So doctor patients, empty array, mage patients, empty array, helper patients is an empty array. So now you have to use a for loop and iterate to each of the soldiers so you can check each one of them. So you have the I, and next then using this formula, you iterate through each soldier which you get the variable soldier. And if soldier dot max speed is less than 6, so if he's slow, mage patients dot push the soldier. So you may be thinking, hey, what is push? So push is basically a method where you can take a certain type of a thing and keep it in an empty array like we had over here, 3 empty arrays, and if he's less he goes into doctor. So that soldier goes into the doctor patients. And now we have to write an else if statement that checks the soldier.health is less than the half of the max health. Add them to doctor's array of patients, else he goes to the helper's array of patients. So I'll just move that over here so we can look at the comments and write our code together. So now, first let us write our else if statement. So in an else if statement, first we basically need the words else if. And then we need to have our condition and the curly brace. So add them to the doctor array of patients. So we have to do it this way. Doctor patients dot push the soldier. So now we did everything well, but we forgot to write the condition. So what is the condition? The soldier's health is less than the half of the max health. So let's get that in. Soldier dot health is less than soldier dot max health divided by 2. So what this does, it takes the full health a soldier should have, which is 200, divides it by 2, which you get only 100, and then if it's less than 100, he goes to the doctor's patients, which is the paladin. And then else you should add the soldier to the helper's array of patients. So we have to add them to the patient. So we have to push the soldier into their array. So let's just get that in. So helper patients dot push the soldier. And now we have the semicolon, and let's run. I'll just move my video over here. And now and something is wrong. So when something is wrong, it's best to loop through our code. So first you have to add them to the mages, then else if you add them to the doctor's array, doctor patients dot push soldier, doctor patients, doctor patients dot push the soldier, else helper patients dot push the soldier. Okay, so I see nothing wrong with our code. Let's run it. So let's check what's the problem. Okay, wait, why is this guy? Delta soldier dot health is less than soldier dot max health divided. Oh, so now I see the problem. That's actually a capital H for max health. So now let's run. And now good, everything's working. So you have to remember this. Even a minor spelling mistake could corrupt your whole code, even though how much good it is. So now let's just revise what we did. So first we used for loops, variables, the variables, so we used array indexing, if loops, else if loops, conditionals, and the new push statement. And we used, yep, that's it. And then we forgot, we used empty arrays and pushing code into them. So which is a new skill. So now first let's just revise our code. So we have doctor, which is a paladin, mage, which is a pixie, helper, which is a peasant, and soldiers, which is all the soldiers we have. We have 3 empty arrays, which initialize the patient arrays. And then you iterate through all the soldiers, so each of the soldiers get counted, and then you use array indexing between the variable I and soldiers. So you're like taking each of the soldiers from the I index, and then you get the variable soldier. If the soldier not max speed is less than 6, so if he's very slow, the mage patients, so he goes into the mage patients. And else if soldier's dot health is less than half of the soldier's max health, doctor dot patients will take the soldier. Else he'll go to the peasant, who just gives them some counseling. And yep, so that's it. Here is our code on the level Triage. I hope you enjoyed this video, and guys, this is Coding with Gautam, and I'll see you next time.